10 Facts about the Marine Kingdom. Part 1. 1. The Marine Kingdom is one of the most ancient spiritual kingdoms known to man. 2. Mermaids are just one of the many classes of water spirits that inhabit the Marine Kingdom. 3. Mermaids may appear just like humans in the dream state. 4. Mermaids also have different ethnicity. Some look like native Indians, some golden or white. 5. There are other water spirits that are a part of the Marine Kingdom that are of a different class and take the appearance of other water animals.
Follow Jamaican true stories.
6. The water spirits in Jamaica are primarily half fish and half humans. 7. There are half pythons, half human water spirits in Jamaica as well, half crocodiles too. 8. Leviathan is a part of the Marine Kingdom, but he is chained. 9. The spirit of Jezebel and Lilith are not water spirits, but all powerful spirits have a temple in the water. 10. If your child is of the element of water, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio, they can be harassed by water. Renounce any affiliation with signs of astrology in the name of Jesus.
Follow, like, and share for more.